Hello everyone. With you information and analytical service System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. A little further, we will look at each parameter in more detail. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can look at all the indicators of the company being studied in more detail. Now let's analyze the company's key indicators. GRAIL Inc., ticker GRAL. This review was created using current data as of July 30th, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company GRAIL Inc. belongs to the subcategory Cancer Analysis. 12 organizations participate in the comparison. See the order table at the end of the video. The overall result for the company is minus 3 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 2.6 points. If you look at it very broadly, within the US stock market in general, note that the average rating for the US stock market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against a minus rating, 3 points for GRAIL Incorporated. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares GRAIL Incorporated and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the stocks GRAIL Inc. showed a dynamics of 115.3%. 40.3% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company GRAIL Incorporated valued at $1.23 billion. With a market capitalization of $11 billion, the subcategory is. The company's book value is $2.41 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $5 billion. By comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we can see the following. Share GRAIL Incorporated in the subcategory in case of stock market valuation is 11.127%. Book value capitalization is 49.216%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's financial liabilities amount to $0.072 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 3% of equity. The company's debt level rating, very good, 2 points. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $1,914 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 9.4. Average for the subcategory is 4.1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $130 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of expected future sales figures in comparison with the figures in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 1,464.1%, with the average for the subcategory being minus 97%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 11.751%. Which is 6% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $1,227,000. and for the subcategory $1,296,000. Assessment of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $1,914,300, with an average in the subcategory of minus $309,300. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $131,000. In the subcategory $319,000. Sales per employee assessment compared to the performance of companies in the subcategory. Passable, minus 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 18.6% compared to the subcategory average of 9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 38% for the company GRAIL Incorporated. For the subcategory, the RSI level 14 is 43%. The company's actual share price is around $34.13. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $40.51. Let's look at the order table. It is available. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the reference evaluation system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's shares GRAIL Inc. Information and reference system of assessment GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a buy trade at $34.12 per share. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a fairly good valuation and price trend. The organization was assessed using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 55.66. Stop loss is set at 12.58. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the deal will be closed independently following the trading session on August 29, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker NEGG is a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on the channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and help system, GURU.Markets.